Hello everyone, welcome to American Jedi channel. Today I wanted to just do a quick overview of what comes in the Creator Edition Hero 11 Black. I wanted to also go over the pricing of it. The current pricing as of April 10th, 2023, and what it would cost if you were to buy everything separately on Best Buy, at Best Buy. So right now, GoPro is having an event sale, $100 off all their cameras if you subscribe to the GoPro Cloud service, which includes unlimited cloud storage, videos that get sent to your, like when you plug your camera in, it automatically uploads to the cloud, and then they'll send you to your phone through your app. They'll send you a video, like a highlight reel of the videos that you have uploaded. So if you've had like 5 videos, it'll send you a highlight reel, like kind of stitching those videos together. So it's pretty cool. It's something you can do in the app too, but it's and I've watched a couple of them, and I actually saved one, and it was pretty cool. Actually, you know, with the music and everything else, and I'll show you using the GoPro in my next video, one of the highlight reels. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at what you get. You get the Casey, which this is normally $49.99. Now, obviously, you can go on Amazon and buy a nice case for like 20 bucks or something like that for your GoPro. But this, you know, this is the hard case from GoPro, and it's, you know, got the GoPro on it. Now, if I was buying these separately, would I have bought this case for $50? Hell no. So do I think it's worth $50? No. But I'm just saying, if you were to buy everything separately, the exact same items, it would be $50. Okay. You get the GoPro camera. This is $449 on the website. So that's this piece right here. The media mod, which is this piece without the light. It comes with the microphone cover. The media mod itself is $79.99. The light, just this little tiny light, is $49.99. And then the pièce de résistance, the Volta handle, which is a charging handle, and it also is a remote. Now, actually, you don't need to have this connected to the camera to use the remote. This works over Bluetooth. Right there, the little Bluetooth symbol. And then you can check the power, how much battery you have. This one's completely full by pressing that button right there, the little battery indicator. Now, this will charge your battery by plugging it into the camera like this. There's a little, in the back here, there's a little spot to plug it in, this little plug here. And you actually don't have to have a battery in the camera for this to work either. This will operate the camera without a battery. So it has an internal battery that will either charge the battery that you have in the camera. So your camera will use both of them at the same time, I believe is how it works. So as your battery drains, this charges it. Or you can take the battery out and just use it with the handle itself. So they're saying that, I think it's at 1080p. If you're using this and the battery, you get about 4 hours of record time. So I definitely recommend buying another battery for 25 bucks. I don't know about the whole 2 battery kit for $50, but another good thing about the GoPro subscription is you do get up to 50% off of GoPro accessories. And so that's another thing to consider if you do want to buy more batteries and things of that nature. You know, it's not going to be 50% off. I found the majority of the accessories on there are not 50% off, but you're going to get, you know, like $8 to $10 off on a lot of stuff. So that's worth it. So as I added everything up from Best Buy, the GoPro 11 is $449 currently, plus the Volta handle $129, plus the media mod of $79, plus the light mod of $49, plus the case. You're looking at $759. Now the current price on Best Buy for this Creator Edition is $600 or $599. Now you also get all these little guys in here. So let's look at what you get. You get a helmet mount, a curved helmet mount. You get a couple of these quick detach deals here, which kind of, you know, go in there like that. So I think you get 2 of those. Yeah, you get 2 of those. This one's just a little longer than the other. I don't really know what the hell that's for. I don't know how that works. Some kind of attachment. And this is just the battery covers that I took off so that it fits in the medium on. So that's pretty much it. You get a couple mounts. Those are really cheap though, especially if you get the off-brand mounts. You can get a whole like set of mounts, the chesty, like the head mount and stuff like that for like $25 if you go off-brand. So let's go just a quick little overview, quick review. I really like the camera. I do notice though, if I have everything turned on the camera itself, like the hyper smooth, if I had it recording 5K, if you have like all the features turned on, and I would be surprised if you can get an hour of recording, straight recording, without it overheating. So the camera will overheat, but it does turn itself off to protect it. So especially, you got to think, you know, there's no ventilation really inside this media mod. It's going to heat up. And with what you could do to get more battery or to get more recording time is you can take the battery out of the camera, and that'll give it a little more ventilation. So that's something that I learned, because the battery itself heats up and will heat up the camera from the inside. So that's something you can do, and then you can just use the Volta handle to power the camera. If you need to cool the camera off after it's been heated up and turns off, I would just take everything apart, take the camera out and take the battery out and let it cool off like that. So the microphone is really good, this external media microphone. I've seen a review online about the microphone, and he was saying that the microphone was crap. And then what he did is he returned the media mod with the microphone back to GoPro and got another one. So he had just gotten a defective microphone, and that's what he found out. And so he posted 2 videos on that. So, but I really love this camera. The Hyper Smooth is pretty awesome. The 5.3K is awesome. It's got a lot of features on it. I wish that you could, however, I wish that you could stitch videos together in the GoPro app. That would be a nice feature if they could add that. Because that's my main issue, is stitching videos together. Because my old MacBook, I can't run like DaVinci or Final Cut or anything like that because my computer crashes, and I can't even get the latest OS for my Mac because it's a 2011 MacBook Pro, so it won't even run the latest OS. So which means I can't even use Final Cut Pro, which I do own. I can't even download it to the computer because it says the latest OS is necessary. So my issue with stitching videos together, I have to download the video from the app onto my phone into my photos, and then I use Adobe Rush. I have the premium version to stitch the videos together, and that takes a while. And then sometimes it always works to stitch the videos together, but sometimes when I go to save it down to my photos so that I can upload it to YouTube, it says that it gives me an error. And now you can upload it to YouTube from the Rush app, but it doesn't really work that well. So we'll see if I can get that to work. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of go over quick review. I definitely recommend getting the Creator Edition. If you get it on GoPro's website, they're $529 right now. And that includes, in that price, that includes the GoPro subscription, which is normally $50. So you can cancel at any time. I would definitely recommend going that route and saving yourself some money. Anyways, thanks for watching. American Jedi out, and you guys stay safe out there.